Martinez once again, and today we are going to make a snack called the Hungry Caterpillar. I'm sure you've read the book, so today we're going to make a snack. First thing we do is make sure you wash your hands. If you have gloves, you may put some on. Our ingredients for this Hungry Caterpillar will be little grapes, watermelon, cantaloupe, strawberries, and blueberries. What you will need is a couple of toothpicks and a kebab stick. Okay, first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to get some grapes. You can use I was looking for big grapes, but I couldn't find any, so I had to go along with little ones. You can use the red or the green grapes, it's up to you. Carefully put it into this kebab stick. And I've added a blueberry, and then you just start alternating the fruit that you have available at home. You don't need to run out and have mom buy you certain fruit. If you have the fruits that you have at home that you like, by all means use those. And like I said, just keep alternating. My favorite is the watermelon, so I make sure I put plenty of watermelon. Now, I've got a big, nice strawberry. That's going to be the face. I cut the toothpick in half. I will get one blueberry, put the toothpick in the middle, and carefully I will insert it to make the eyes. And there's my little face. I will put this, and there you go. Here's your very hungry caterpillar that you can have as a snack once you finished eating the Very Hungry Caterpillar book. I hope you enjoy your day.